Oh, friggin' rice, boys. I gotta go get piss beer, slave labor. I'm relentless today, but friggin' half the day's burned off because I've been been doing this new Vitcha game. They just come out with their Vikings War of Clans. And yeah, addicted terrible. Check this out. And then we gotta go get piss beer. Vikings War of Clans was inspired by the top PC strategy RPG games of the 90s, like Puff the Magic Jankum Cigarette and Nelson Plunges the J-Bend Relentless. If you want to choose the memory banks and experience new operations at the same times, this mobile game with its amazing graphics is what you need. Vikings gives you the option to choose your own playlist. Vikings is so addictive, 20 million dicks play this game online, which means the game is forever evolving into never-ending fights over resources, forging new alliances, and competing in live events. Man, I love this game. Me and Nelson play it all the time. Don't we, buddy?
What game?
The Vikings War of Clans. Vikings War of Clans? Okay. Remember the game we play all the time, me and you? On the internet, me and you, we play all the time? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the one! We play it all the freaking time, boys! Support my channel by downloading Vikings for free, only for my links in the prescription. And get a special bonus of 200 gold coins and a protective shield. And if you act now, you'll even grow a giant panhandler like Nelson. He had like a table and there's cups and shit and crap, like the whole table was covered in stuff. It was just like buried everything and cigarette butts was cascading over the table and stuff. And how you doing? Oh my goodness, I got piss all over it.
Here, leave that one against the door.
I was gonna lift that one. I thought that's a perfect job for piss beer and cigarettes. I was like, oh yeah, I'll totally grab this. Watch this. No, oh, no, me okay. Oh, I can't do piss mats, buddy. Oh, I can't do piss mats.
Anything, you're driver.
I can't do piss mats no more. Whew. I am almost sick. Dog can smell the piss. Good friend. Oh, I was gonna chuck it. What are you doing?
You just about killed me.
I didn't know you were being a ballerina, for fuck's sakes. I guess there's one more up there. Oh, big piss mat delivery, eh? Inwood doesn't pay enough, eh? Had to start taking on jobs. Doesn't like suckling, eh?
Well, quit that.
Quit suckling. Now he's got to move piss mats. Good work, eh? Good work, buddy. You do good work, eh? You do good work. You're a real boy. Oh, I'm just fucking dry heaving. I just had piss mat all over me. Whew. Oh, somebody's come marching out the front door all fucking. Oh, look who decided to join us this morning. How you doing, buddy?
Not bad.
You have a good sleep?
Yeah.
You shit yourself? Oh, that's good. I don't have to get Tupperware to wash the sheets if you did, I guess, but. Yeah, freaking rights. I got all rusty up on the hoist here. Yeah, should be able to give them a good peer version today and maybe check some wiring and stuff. And you go have a cigarette, Nelson. I'm gonna have something to eat and a cigarette. I'm gonna have an indoor cigarette. You have an outdoor cigarette, bud. Hey, you son of a bitch.
You're gonna yell at me here.
Oh, I already know, but it's my fault because I should have been out there. That's great. You do good work. Ah, come on, slut. Disapini. Ow! Oh, fuck!
Don't put your finger there.
Nope. Just look at that, eh? Just spit it right out. Hardly a fox to give. Wow.
Never seen one come apart.
Oh, look at that. But yeah, your wire's damaged, but you got a whole new one, right? So I'm just gonna undo that clip and unplug that guy. There she go. Ah, there we go. Fuck. Yeah, that was stuck on there. Terrible. Wow, that was on there big time. Yeah. It should be fucking coming. Is it coming?
No.
No, fuck, great. Okay, so we need a,
Big ass wrench.
I don't know if I got one.
Never seen one do that before at all, to be honest with you. Of course, I had to come apart and take out a brand new radiator. Just to make things even better.
Oh, well, we should put a couple more fucking hanging radiators in the way, eh? Look at that. That's a fucking
Got
good.
to engrave this Dodge Ram.
Yeah. Fan, clutch fan, assembly wrench. Disassembly wrench. Maybe we can maybe even give her a little snugging up with that too. Really just devastated that nut. Oh goodness. Oh. If I didn't know better, I'd say that had been dropped when it was taken out before, and probably caused a little damage.
Too many.
Too many wobbly pops.
Bumps in that one end.
Yeah, the one won't go on, eh? Oh goodness. Oh, Dick, what happened?
What the fuck?
Oh shit. That's no good.
Yeah, let's take it all apart again.
No, why? What happened?
I think the water pump's fucked.
Shut up. It's Inwood Customs. We're known for doing shit twice. It's like what we're known for. Oh, Buddy's on his way to look at the tractor too, Nelson. So as fast as you can, buddy. Holy suffer. Oh, buddy, your pants. Hey, it's hard keeping them up with that fucking thing down there, eh? Buddy! Oh, I'm just gonna fucking puke my shirt, the whole fucking 9 mixed cigarettes, bud. That's a totally different setup. Look at the fins on that.
Feels rock hard. I don't know, maybe it's this feels like iron. I don't know, I'll try picking it out and see if there's even one in there, but yeah, that's the seal. It's just rock hard.
Wow.
That's probably all it needed, yeah.
Well, you listen to the difference
Oh,
in the
yeah,
sound. It's on the way.
Oh yeah.
It's on the way anyway.
It's growling.
Did you jam a piece of wood in there, or what did you do?
Cruise control.
Cruise control.
Cruise control.
Well, it's not driving. Really?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Let me get some shots of that. Oh, Nelbert, where do you go, buddy? Put a little air fitting on the hoist there.
This one's probably no good, but once you find a good one, at least you got the coupling there and everything.
Yeah.
That's got to tighten her down and get back on the rear side. And yeah, definitely a guard to go over that. Just wouldn't take much to snap it.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. What about the other one? Did you get that one fixed?
No,
Oh, I apologize, Nelbert. I was mistaken in my movement.
I'll never hit run.
Yeah.
I'll put $1,000 on the door.
See, I like some apples.
Some asshole was spinning the tires in this truck the other day, too.
Oh no. Oh, Dick. Holy, you're a shit fixing machine, eh? With just a dirty cigarette hanging out of your mouth. How'd it get so dirty? Were you finger fucking it?
all the insulation burned off. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right, like even the ones that aren't bad, it's like there's just a lot of smuck in there. It's gonna be cleaned out.
Oh, the old tin foil around the fuse tech, eh?
Yeah.
That helps. That helps. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Eh? When you're playing trap there, it's always good to have tin foil in your fuse. Look at the grimy cigarette he's got. Holy suffer. Just
Fine.
I apologize. Are we going to be playing trap there here in a minute, or what do you think?
Yeah, maybe. Facebook went by pretty quick. Good sleep in, I guess.
Yeah, you slept till fucking 12:30, so that's... Buddy, fuck we had
Oh, you know, having all this time off.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff. sleeping at noon sometimes. It's nice though.
Yeah. I don't give a fuck how long you sleep, as long as you wake up and fips my shit. You know what I mean? Sleep all fucking day, I don't give a shit. Eh? That's the kind of fucking stress that you have at Inwood Customs, eh? Just be like, oh fuck, I'll get up whenever I want and fips whatever I want, whenever I want, and oh, so stressful. Eh? Have some cigarettes, drink some liquor, some purple fellas, fucking Joe Fox, fucking suck a dude off. I don't give a fuck. Just try finger fucking a dude. Anyways, I'm on the patches. Eh? Did you see him on the patches? On the patches?
Oh yeah.
Hey, wanna smoke one?
No, I'm good.
Wanna smoke a piece of it? Oh, I apologize. I was just trying to be nice. Did we find out what's wrong with it? What's wrong with Onwood? There's the little passage.
Yeah, one of the springs kind of rotted through, so.
Need a new spring.
This one doesn't look, this plunger doesn't look too rusty or worn, or this one.
Looks
There's a lot of water
terrible.
and rust that was behind it, so. I think that one was
And
seizing.
then the one little tabulator snapped in half, which is just splendid. So how'd you ever get that off of there? This
Oh, a
one?
little heat and
Oh, you just torched her terrible, eh?
make a little tool
Little
for
homemade guy.
that. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
But these ones, don't take those out, just go
So
in.
spring and then dink.
Yeah.
Which side's the hole on?
Yeah, we'll have to look that up
Oh.
afterwards. Probably doesn't even matter. I mean, it's just for oil, but
Yes. It's probably for water, actually. Eh?
this, you know, it's
probably a
just little
drain.
Where I don't know. That's probably not supposed to be that little ding right there.
But should be all right, eh?
I was even get the valve here. I mean, you never know, right?
Yeah, we'll see what kind of parts we can get in the morning there.
Yeah.
There's the friggin' part number and the friggin' Narscolio later.
Yeah, seal for sure. It's supposed to be.
Oh, okay. I'll do that again. Let's see how loose it is. Oh my goodness,
Very
you're good
loose.
at that. Just try that on my pantailer. Buddy! Oh, but I just totally freaked out my neck. I was like so excited. And all I was doing was like rubbing my hands together super fast like I do. And like tweaked my neck. Buddy, that's terrible that I did that. So what do you think about the traptor?
Oh, we can go try it. It's probably a little cold fired up right now.
Oh, we can wait till the morning.
Yeah, plug in the block heater in the morning.
Oh,
Just
goodness gracious.
Turn it over now, just slowly. It's really, the oil's a little thick right now.
Oh, I apologize.
So, yeah, let's go ahead and plug it. And,
We changed the oil on that, didn't we?
yeah,
It's probably pretty thick.
we could have turbo on it one day.
Yeah, that'd be great.
That'll help.
Hey, that'll help the HP sauce. Is probably something terrible. Yeah, I'll probably call her a cigarette and go full bore in the morning. I gotta go get my truck. I don't know. It's probably gonna be a shit show. Hey, stay tuned for that one. For fuck's sakes. No, it sounds like we were took on a ride. Hey, sounds like we were took for a fucking cigarette there, but any words friggin' yeah, I guess we got Nelson Peony over and we fixed a traptor and did a bunch of shit and got that water pump in Buddy's truck and changed the radiator even though it didn't need it, but it was very, very much of the dent factor, so I mean it didn't hurt nothing, but we had a spare, now we got a spare, so friggin' D's Peony, but yeah, if cock comes to cigarettes, I guess freaking stovepipe, but how about finger fudge that like button if you missed them a couple of videos from earlier in the week. Nelson's on the cigarettes, and there you go, another dick program done. So,
Don't the waters get you?